Hi everyone, welcome to channel IRS. It's day 20, week number 11. So we have 3 more weeks to go, 11, 12, 13. And this week I wanted to talk about new skills. Every racing driver has that moment when you need to learn something new. I mean, when you already know racing line very well around the circuit where you're practicing, when you know racing equipment, in our case it's a go-kart, so when you know your racing equipment very well, so it's time to learn something new and even to try something new. So I speak about change your points, braking point, entry point, apex and exit point. Why you have to do that? So this way you will find which way for you is more convenient to go around the circuit and fastest way. Remember, when you read something in the books, this is a theory, and the theory, it doesn't mean that it's going to be exactly the same in reality. In reality, around the same corner, 2 best drivers will have 2 different racing lines, 2 different braking points. And I have a good example, such as James Hunt and Niki Lauda. This was a great racing drivers, but they all had their own unique racing technique. So if you want to be better than the other drivers, you have to do better than they are. If you want to be quicker than the quickest drivers, you have to be different. So if you want to be the fastest one, you need to work on a different racing technique, and you have to make your own racing technique. So theory, it's very good, but practice is much better. Day 18, and we continue to speak about new skills. Looks like we've done all the corners, we've done all the points, braking, turning in. So why do we need map of racing circuit? If you want to do any skills before you go on a circuit and before you try it on a practice, take a map and think what kind of skills you want to do. For example, me, I want to learn to do a late braking, so I need a map to think about my late braking. Let's say in corner number 4, I'm braking somewhere after left king, so I have to brake later, And on the map I can see and I can draw where my new braking point going to be. So this way we run through the whole circuit. So we have a long straight. After long straight I do late braking, finish braking, turn in, late apex, pass the apex, exit. After exit, short straight before the corner number 2, late braking, finish braking, turn in, late apex, stay on the right hand side, straight before corner number 3, again late braking after straight, turn in, late apex, exit. After exit of corner number 3, straight line, left kink, turn into the left kink, late braking after late kink, later than normally, late braking on a straight line, finish braking, turn into the corner number 3, late apex, exit in the middle of the track. Keep to the left as much as possible, late turning in, off the throttle, turning in, late apex, exit. After exit we have a straight before corner number 6, again late braking, finish braking, late apex, release your car after apex to the middle of the track, late throttle off, turning in, late apex, stay on the left hand side, be ready for corner number 8. Again before the corner number 8, late braking, late apex, and after apex release your car to the exit, full throttle, start finish line, next lap. So this way, before we going for a practice, if we repeat this way 5-10 times, if we repeat what new skills we want to do and we draw it on a map, this way we're gonna be more prepared for our practice session. So that's why we need a map before we try any new skills. So on my next practice session I am going to try late braking. It looks like it's going to be wet weather, so it's even better, because on a wet we can practice better our late braking. Looks like this one dry. This corner is completely wet. This corner is 50-50, wet and dry, and the entry into the fastest corner is wet. It's day 15, I am at Daytona Sandown Park, and today we're not doing practice session, today we're doing sprint race, which is 5-minute or 10-minute practice session, and then we have 20-minute race. I don't remember exactly format of the race. The circuit, as you heard it, it's about 40% wet, okay, 30% wet, but that 30% will mess up all lap times, because all the wet points is at the entry, where it's the braking, turning in. So let's go and let's see what we can do.
first round. We're at Milton Keynes using the international layout. We have 10 rounds ahead of us.
Day number 14, and this is 31st of December. So Happy New Year to everyone, to all Daytona MotorSport team, to everyone from Sandown Park, Milton Keynes, Tumblr and Manchester. Guys, thanks a lot for making such amazing events like a D-Max, like a InCards, AK Max, which been done at Daytona Sandown Park, and I took first place in a championship in overall, in intermediate category. To all Daytona Motorsport guys, Happy New Year to you, and I wish you all the best. All the D-Max racing drivers in 2017, I met lots of new people there, lots of new friends in the life, on the Facebook, everywhere. Thanks a lot to you guys. You push me forward, you show me new limits, you show me new lap times. Without you, I wouldn't realize that I can go quicker and quicker. And I'll be honest with you, D-Max Championship, I can call it the most friendly championship, but at the same time is very, very professionally competitive. If anyone thinking to start his racing career, recommend you check D-Max, Daytona D-Max. I will leave all the details in the description down below. And I'm happy to move into the year 2018 with a completely new skills, with a new lifestyle, because what's been at the beginning of 2017 and what's happening now at the end, I can say that my life is completely changed. I can't see myself without racing, and I'm looking forward to Daytona D-Max 2018. The calendar for the next year is amazing. Again, all the details, you can check it. You just click the link down below in description. So we finished week number 11, and we have 2 more weeks to go, and we moving forward into the week number 12 and 13 and into the year 2018 with the new skills. See ya.